In this video, we shall be looking at subtraction of whole numbers. So, how do we subtract whole numbers? What do I mean by subtraction? So, let's solve some examples together for us to be able to do our subtraction of whole numbers. So, example 1. Solve 523 minus 410. How do we do this? The first thing we do here is arrange our numbers for subtraction. The first number comes first, while the second number goes under. Here we have to be mindful of our arrangement. We can't arrange the lesser number down because it gets complicated for us at this level. So what do? Our second number goes under, then we put our minus sign that we indicate we are doing subtraction. So let's solve this. We have 523 to be on top and 410 to be beneath. So we put our minus sign also. So then we cross it to show that we are writing our answer under the line. So let's start. 3 minus 0 will give us what? You should know that 3. 2 minus 1 will give us what? 1. 5 minus 4 will give us what? 1 also. So this is very easy and straightforward. So our answer is 113. Very easy. So let's do some example further. So example 2 says solve 241 minus 128. What do we do first? We arrange and we put our minus sign. So we have 241 minus 128. Then we put our line to indicate we are putting our answer down underneath it. So what do we do here? We start from the unit side again, which is from our right. 1 minus 8. It looks complicated. That how is it possible for us to subtract 8 from 1? Why? Because 8 is bigger than 1. So what do we do? Are you getting stuck or tired already? There's a way out. Let me show you. Can you see our next place values? The 10th number place value? Okay. Can we see 4 beside 1? 4 is the neighbor of 1. So let's the neighbor help 1 out. So what do? We borrow 1 from 4 to add to our 1. So if we are borrowing 1 from 4, that means we are removing 1 out of 4. So we cross this out. We have 3 because we have borrowed 1. And we put that 1. We add it to our 1. The one we are borrowing here is representing 10 because we are borrowing from the 10th. So it's representing 10. So if we add 10 to 1, we have it as what? 11. So here, we don't even mind. Just borrow 1 and add it to, put it at the back of the one we are borrowing. So we have 1 beside 1. So it makes it 11. So what do? We subtract 8 from 11. So 11 minus 8 will give us what? Do you understand that? Can you see it is very, very interesting? So we move to the next one. Here we don't have it to be longer 4. We have it to be 3. So because our new value here is 3 because we have borrowed 1. So we have 3 minus 2 which will give us 1. So the next value we move it to 2 minus 1 will give us 1. And very, very simple. So let's move to another one. Example 3 says 532 minus 239. So how do we do this? The first thing here is what? We do our arrangement. So we have 532 to be on top minus 231. So let's start our subtraction. We are starting from the right also, so we have 2 minus 9. Yeah, you got that trick. You are no longer afraid and scared of what to do. What do? We go to the neighbor to borrow. So here we have 3. What do? We borrow 3 from this place. We borrow 1 from 3, so we cross it out, it remains 2. So we add 1 in front of 2, it makes it 12. So 12 minus 9 will give us what? 12 minus 9 will give us 3. Do you get that? Fine. So here we move to the next one. This is giving us another issue because we don't longer have it as 3 again, we have it as 2. And 2 minus 3 is not possible. So what do? We go to the neighbor again and borrow. So if we are borrowing from 5, it reduces to what? 4. So we cross out 5 and write 4 on top. So we had 1 at the back of 2, it makes it 12 again. So 12 minus 3, very easy, will give us 9. Good. Then we go to the next one. We have 4 already because we have removed 1 from the 5. So 4 minus 2 will give us what? 2. So we have our answer to be what? 293 is our answer. So